because cycles are in control and everything else is narrative. Yields need to move lower or we're not going to see any rate cuts. For the FOMC and the simulation stuff, I was talking about getting the down, up, down pattern most probably because we know the cycles are bottomed and the path of least resistance is higher. We did indeed get a pump into FOMC. We are now completing the shakeout part. And again, to be fair to me, I did say allow it a couple of days of wiggle room. I actually said I don't want to hear it if we get volatility for a couple of days afterwards before it reveals the direction, okay? And instead, people chose to disregard all of that and come at me for some reason. All right, but we've had this, we can take this portion off. We're in this bit now, okay? And then the true direction should be revealed a bit later on, okay? So have a little patience. So far, I don't see anything that concerns me about this being correct. That seems completely normal and to be expected for me. Simulation confirmed and volatility arrives. Yep, okay, I think it's safe to say we've got volatility. We're seeing some big moves in the metals. We've seen Bitcoin seeking a daily cycle low quite violently to the downside. Saw huge wicks from the like of the NASDAQ yesterday, retests and backfilling this little gap from here, okay, only to come all the way back up. So volatility has arrived. In terms of the simulation narrative, if you go on any of the mainstream outlets and scroll down, you'll see there's 1,000,001 reasons for these narratives to be here. As I've been saying all week, it's for everyone else to be concerned with the narrative, okay, because cycles are in control and everything else is narrative. I think the current narrative is that Microsoft has gapped down significantly, okay, and this is what people are concerned about. Of course, there's always a bunch of other stuff with the president and maybe there's going to be a government shutdown and blah, blah, blah. We did throw out all of these ideas. And again, we've been consistent all week in saying we don't really care.